It's a 2017 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. It's well equipped with the features you need: AM/FM stereo radio, easy lift and lower tailgate, manual tilting steering column, capless fuel filler, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Don't overpay. Come see Jay. We make the car buying process easy. J. Hodge Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram is located on East Jackson Street in Hugo.